Guys, I literally walked into Michael's and they have all their Christmas stuff out. I'm super excited. It looks like they have a lot of theme of the candy cane theme. I'm gonna start off with this corner. They have this nice sign that has all the nice sayings, and they have this one that says Santa please stop here with the little arrow. This nice ornament that says Merry Christmas, so cute. And look at this sign, this one's so cute. I am lost in words, guys. So adorable. Warm up at the hot chocolate bar, so cute. This one is $14.99. They have some nice candy cane trees, and let's see how much these are. So this one is $19.99. This one's $24.99. Ooh, look at this cute little mailbox. Guys, look at this cute little snowman mug. But honestly, I just got the gingerbread one, so I had to pass on this. But look how adorable this is. This one is $6.99. They also have the little Santa. This one's so adorable. So they have these adorable candy cane trees. So they have two sizes. They have like a small one, and that one is $14.99, and I think the large one's $19.99. Oh, and look, and they have a little Santa with a gingerbread. How adorable. Okay, so they have this sign that says oh snap with the gingerbread, and look at these little containers. These are so cute. I love this one with the little snowman. Frosty Snowman Flake Cafe. How adorable. They even have one for Santa. These look so vintage. Santa's Hot Cocoa Cafe. So cute. I'm just so happy seeing all this stuff. Each of these are $14.99, and honestly, I think they are so unique and different, and they're worth it. Honestly, they're so adorable. They have a nice pillow. I'm gonna try not to grab it just because I feel like it's gonna tumble down. But this one says Merry Christmas in little candy cane twine, and look at this sign, Candy Cane Lane. So adorable. Love it. This nice sign is $29.99. Honestly, guys, I really like these little containers right there. And they also have a hot cocoa sign way back there. But as you can see, they have a lot of Santa mugs there, and I'm not gonna be moving that. Sorry, guys. Okay, so they have these little milk cartons, and one says Santa's milk. Well, they both say that. Oh no, the other one says milk for Santa, but I think this one is the cutest one. And these are $4.99. So you could even put these on a tier tray. Oh my god, that is a good idea. Genius. Okay, and then they have two gingerbread houses. I love this one. How did they stuff it in the shelf? Because I can't get it out. Okay, but these are so cute. Look at these little gingerbreads. The little girl and the little boy. A little camper. Down here they have some signs. This one that says Candy Cane Wishes and Mistletoe Kisses. Also this one, it's not Christmas without cookies. That one's very accurate. Okay, so I moved a little bit of the sign. So this one says believe in the season, and they have the feet dangling. I don't know how I feel about that. They also have this one that says no for the holidays, and this one with the snowman. So cute. Warm winter wishes. I like that one. Look how cute this sign is. Baby, it's cold outside with the little mug and the hot cocoa. This sign right here is $12.99. Look at these snow globes. So unique. I actually like the Nutcracker one. Very a timeless piece. And they have the snowman one. They also have some candy canes. One says the most wonderful time of the year, and the other one says have yourself a merry little Christmas. So cool. A nice wreath. I like the bow on it. They have some bottle brush trees in candy cane. The small one's is $9.99. The medium is $14.99, and the large one is $19.99. Michael's overdid it with the whole red and white, but I am not complaining. These are the cutest decor. Look at this nice snowflake pillow. There's one of the gnome, and look at the Santa Claus one. Even he's happy. Look how cute. I'm liking these bottle brush trees with the little ornaments. So adorable. And look at these soap dispensers. Let me show you. Look how cute he is. And then there's a snowman one too. The soap dispensers are $9.99. And I found the gnome soap dispenser. Whoever likes gnomes. And then there's Santa Claus with his pajamas. And this sign right here that says, in this house, we do not call Rudolph names. We share our Christmas cookies. We remember love is the best gift. We believe in Santa Claus. That is so cute. And I like how it's shaped as a house. This pillow is the cutest one. Jingle bells. And it's so cute with the reindeers on it. Oh, look, they have some reindeers. This little joy sign is so cute. Oh, they have the little vintage books. I like this one. This is Santa. And I love this one because of the snowman. Let me show you. Look how cute this book is. $7.99. I don't know how I feel about that. I like this little joy sign. This one's $14.99. Oh, I like these deers. They're nice and vintage looking. Okay, and on this section they have all the rustic stuff, but for some reason the candy cane really caught my eye. So this sign is very gorgeous, walking in a winter wonderland. I just love the greenery. I love the pine, the glitter. They even have the Christmas countdown. I think they had that last year, this snowflake with the galvanized and wooden little cutouts. Nice. They also have some spiral trees. So cute. Look at this huge deer. So gorgeous. And the spiral trees are $24.99. They're so gorgeous, guys. And look at this lovely little lantern. So gorgeous. And then down here they have this sign. I really like this one. Let heaven and nature sing. I like anything that looks Scandinavian too. And here are some garlands, and they have the white with the red, just the red ones. I'm liking this one with the green and the white, and the all white one. Cream color kind of, and it is $11.99. I think that's very affordable. Not bad. They have this rustic sign that says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. That one's so cute. And this one's $44.99, a little on the pricey side. But there's some greenery there. Down here, there's some candle holders. Let me lift this little one. I like it. This one's $4.99. They have a bigger one. The bigger one is $9.99. Oh, they have some cute little birds. So they have this nice wooden house, and it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. This is so adorable. This one is $14.99, and they have a red one, so let me show you. Now this one says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. Guys, these houses are so cute. I like it. They really have a lot of stuff this year, and I feel like if you see something, you're supposed to just grab it, because last time I did that, and bummer, it ran out and I didn't get a chance to get it. Look at this sign that says welcome winter. So nice, and I like how it's in a shaped as a circle. They have a lot of wooden stuff, a lot of wooden decor. I'm really liking this candle. It's galvanized, and guys, this smells amazing. Smells like a Christmas tree. And this one is $11.99. Cutest packaging for a candle. I just love it. Oh, and there's another house. Look at this one. This one says no place like home for the holidays, and there's a cute little deer. found a cute pillow that says "'Tis the season to be jolly." This is such a mini pillow. There's another pillow. This one says "Santa, please stop here." And there's this one that says "Believe in the magic of Christmas." And then they have this one that says "Good tidings of comfort and joy." I think this is the first time they ever made mini pillows. They're so cute, guys. And the pillows are $12.99. They have these nice lanterns. I really like how rustic it looks. There's a reindeer one, a Christmas tree one, and honestly, I even said this last year. You could actually use this as a utensil holder. Spotted the cutest sign. I think this is the cutest sign they have here. Christmas tree, farm fresh. I really like this. And behind they have another sign, and this one's cute too. Reindeer sleigh rides. So adorable, guys. I'm excited for Christmas now. They have some nice nutcrackers, and these are $14.99 each. I really like the red one. I'm trying to remember, but I kind of have the feeling they had this big sign last year. This one says "Snow day, sleep in, sip hot chocolate, cherish every moment, deck the halls, believe, eat, drink, and be merry, build a snowman, roast marshmallows, gather with family, relax by the fire." And this sign is so adorable, guys. I just love Christmas. And I'm waiting to see if they're gonna get their Christmas mugs out, but I don't see any so far. Okay, this really makes me want to go home and start decorating. Okay, now I found these candles, and these smell so good. And I like this one with the packaging. I like how it looks frosted, and I like the little reindeers. And then they also have this nice hunter green candle. I love the packaging on that one. Very simple and nice. Now they have their winter wonderland theme. Very nice. A lot of glitz and glam on this section. So they have these bottle brush trees. They have it in a gold, a little light silver, and nice green. I'm liking this one though the most. Very gorgeous. And look at this tree, guys. This is such a nice glitz and glam tree. And they have a nice sparkling sleigh. I'm liking this sign that says "We wish you a Merry Christmas." It's not doing it justice on this camera, but if you could see, it's a lot of the birch trees. How pretty would this be with the candle and it'll be lit up? How gorgeous. Yeah, guys, I'm really decisive. I don't know what style I like the most. These are, like the song says, "Where the treetops glisten." And the small trees in $19.99. Bigger one is $24, and the other one's $30. Kind of pricey. The sleigh, guys, is $69.99. And look at these little snowflakes, little lanterns. Yeah, a lot of glitz and glam here. So guys, comment down below and let me know what you guys are going to be decorating this year. If you guys have a theme or a certain color. I'm still indecisive, but we'll figure it out. They also have a lot of trees, but I'm liking this one with the box, and this one says "Christmas Tree Farm." Very farmhouse and rustic. I like the little, how flocked it is. And look at this flock tree. That one's gorgeous. Found some cute pillows. I like this one with the buffalo check. And then there's like that faux fur in the back. That soft material. And then they have the snowflake. That one's cute for glitz and glam. This one in the bottom that says "Farm Fresh Christmas Tree" is so pretty.